Hey everyone, it's Jen. I wanted to do a really quick updated flip of my planner. I'm using the Foxy Fix number 6, so it's a standard size notebook and it's a wide fitting. So this is a Foxy Fix Stella. I have white stitching, blind emboss fox and pip bow, and mint elastic. Here is the top view. I just have a couple of dangle clips from the Planner Society, and then these three right here are from Made with Love Crafter, my friend Trisha's shop, and then this geocrane is mine. And then I just have a 3 glitter peas magnetic bow on the front, and then I have a charm down here, and this is from the Opal Wild. Just have some die cuts tucked in here. This is actually a digital die cut that I printed on some shimmer paper from Michaels, and I don't know if it's picking up, but it's pretty shimmery in real life. And so I just cut that out on my silhouette, and then I just have a hollow 3 glitter peas bow paper clip right there. I have some more TPS die cuts tucked in here for decoration, and then I have a lace paper and then a washi card tucked in there. I have 3 glitter peas, and then this awesome swan from March's box, and I just stuck it on some acetate and I flipped it over because I wanted the lighter pastel lavender side to be in front. So all of my dashboards are decorated with the Planner Society kit from March. And this is probably my favorite dashboard. I just took some paper and then some hollow tags from Michaels, and then I used a script die cut that my friend Annie lettered, and then I just cut it out on my silhouette, and then I used some die cuts to decorate that. This is also a piece of vellum from the Planner Society kit. This is my work section. I just keep track of which projects I have, what I'm gonna post on YouTube. Just a little small home section here, just with notes about the house. And then I also had another one of those digital die cuts. I will leave a link below to Christie's Etsy shop where I got those. I just downloaded that and then printed on shimmer paper. I just have a picture of my kids. This pocket here, this is an adhesive pocket from the March Planner Society kit, and then I just added some die cuts, and then I have my favorite stickers in here, and then I have a page marker with my name on top that I made. Just stuck an adhesive pocket on the back. This is another dashboard that I decorated. I used a large doily with 3x4 card, and then I used some die cuts to decorate, and the card is foiled. Here's another vellum from the kit. This is my soccer schedule. This insert is Daily Grid, and it is by Annie Plans Printables, and that's last week. And then this week, this last weekend I started using the Planner Society kit into this week. I forgot to plan these 2 days. I was just really busy. So I need to back plan. Here's that vellum. And then this is one of the, I think this is a Midori brand, or it could be a Recollections from Michaels. Just a standard size zip pocket with some card pockets right here on the side. And then I just have some stickers and die cuts there. I did a mini doily on this side with another one of the 3x4 cards. Oh, this is a digital paper from Christie's shop. I just printed this on vellum, which I love doing that. And then I just threw in some die cuts there. This is my monthly view, and my monthly view I always decorate with the Planner Society kit from that month. So here's this month. I just have a list of library books that we need to return. And this is the acetate that came with March's kit. I didn't want to cover up the side of the paper because I love that print and I love the colors. Here's another one of those adhesive pockets from the kit, and then I just have a couple of die cuts and post-it notes and stuff in there. And this is a digital download from Christie's shop. I just have my kids section here. This is a vellum from a previous Planner Society kit. This is my meal planner. Oh, I need to take this out. This is old. This is my year in pixels, which I haven't really been keeping up with. I'm really bad at that. There's that. Here's the other side of the vellum. Another girl from Christie's digital shop. And then this book right here is just like a brain dump. I just have a bunch of notes back here, like on orders, shop stuff, and workout stuff, and then other just random lists. There's a picture of my baby. I put some more Planner Society decorations back here. And then I have a Kitty Mint Co. bow marker here. This is a TPS pen. Back here, I just have one of the lace envelopes that came in a previous kit, and then I just have some stickers, and this is a giant bookmark from the Planner Society kit that I love, and then I just have some stickers, and I have full box checklists back here just in case I need those. So that is my setup. I hope that was really quick, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions on where anything is from, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.